WhatsApp on WordPress. So the first thing which we need to do is go under plugins, right? So under plugins, then you have to add a new plugin. If you haven't tried this before, then that's why you came here. Okay, now I'm going to search for WhatsApp. Then we're going to always use a plugin that is actually common and that have got high ratings, meaning that it works. Then you hit where it says install now, right? Yeah, now the plugin is installed. The next thing is actually what? Activating the plugin. After that, we have to locate the WhatsApp plugin on our on our WordPress dashboard. So on the left side of the screen, right, you're gonna find where it says join chat. You click on it, right, left click on it on your mouse. Then okay, let's start. Okay, it's just a wizard. Now I'm gonna put my UK number. So in this box, right, that's where I'm gonna paste our phone number. Then we click let's continue, right? Yeah. And okay, now now we're going to customize a certain message that we want. So customize this text or write anything else. Hi, I need more information about blah 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 blah. Okay, so let's just continue with this text, right? Yeah. Then okay, it's kind of like it's automated now. Okay, define a call action. Yes, welcome to site. Hey, action, call to action. Hello, can we help you? Can I help you? How can I help you? All right, then continue with this text. Okay, sit along. And now I'm gonna set the email which I really want to receive all the tips. Yes, I'm gonna agree, and this is my email, and keep me posted. Yeah, you can subscribe to get yourself posted. You can follow on my Facebook page. You can connect with me on LinkedIn. Okay, so this is perfect. We have just sent you an email to your account. Visit your mailbox to confirm your subscription. I didn't know about any subscription. Okay, done. Okay, now I am going to actually go to the join chat settings. Welcome to the join.chat. Now the thing which we're going to do, right, is actually check if it's working, right? Okay, I think everything's there, and let me refresh my page because I did not add anything. All right, I refresh it. Oh, I think I saw something on the corner. Oh, there it is. When I hover on it, it changes color. Then I click it. Hello, how can I help you? Oh, it is interesting. Okay, then I'm going to actually click with this open chat. Then it's gonna direct us to our WhatsApp on the mobile phone. It's gonna open on a different page. And okay, let me go show you. So this is how it shows on the platform. Okay, this is the preview of the message that have been pasted in WhatsApp using the API. So it says, "Hi, Mbonis Mutuns, I need more information about." Then person start typing. Then I click send. This is how it shows up on what? Yeah, on WhatsApp. Cheers. This is how we connect the WhatsApp. You can even customize the way you want. Yeah, you can even customize the way you want any information here, but well, this is it. This is how you connect. So easy, nothing else fancy about it. Cheers, bye for now.